So this is the 2015 Junior Cert Higher Level Paper 2. We're looking at question number 14. A small sphere has a radius of 1.5 centimeters. Part A says find the volume of the small sphere and give your answer in centimeters cubed in terms of pi. Okay, so the volume of a sphere, the formula for that is taken from the tables book here. So the volume for a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So we're just going to substitute our value for r in here, so that's 4/3 pi, and our r value is 1.5 cubed. So when we put this in the calculator, we get 9/2 pi, and that's going to be centimeters cubed. And remember, our answer was in terms of pi, so we leave our answer like that. We don't need to find the decimal answer. Part B, the volume of a large sphere is 3 times the volume of the small sphere. Find the radius of the large sphere. Give your answer in centimeters in the form a cube root a over b, where a and b are elements of the n set of natural numbers. Okay, so we're looking for the radius of this large sphere. So remember, the volume of the large sphere was equal to the volume of 3 small spheres. So you think about it diagrammatically like this. So the volume of the big sphere, again taking this formula from the tables book, that's going to be 4/3 pi r cubed. We'll say r is the radius of the big sphere, and that's going to be equal to 3 of the small spheres. So in other words, 3 by the 9/2 pi, which we worked out in part A, 9/2 pi. Okay, so that means then, if we're looking for r cubed, well, we've set up this equation now. We can cancel pi on both sides. And we can then say that r cubed is equal to 3 by 9/2 divided by the 4/3 on the left there. So that tells us then that r cubed is equal to 81/8. So r then will be equal to the cube root of 81/8. If r cubed is 81/8, then r will be the cube root of that. So if we want to get this now into the form a cube root a over b, where a and b are natural numbers, we're going to have to do some manipulation here. Well, we can say that it's equal to the cube root of 81 over the cube root of 8. So we know the cube root of 8 is 2, so that's the denominator done. And cube root of 81, if we use our rules of surds, or our laws of surds, we can split that 81 into cube root 27 by the cube root of 3, because 3 by 27 is 81. And the reason I did that is because the cube root of 27 is something that I know, which is just 3. So it becomes 3 by the cube root of 3 all over 2. And now it's in the form that we were asked to put it into, because we've got a being the number 3 and 2b being the number 2, and 2 and 3 are part of the set of natural numbers. So that's the end of part B and the end of the question.